Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for exercise number 2.2 division 4 digit number. I hope you everyone understand the concept for do the division. Shall I move now? Division. Third sum. I give the sum for 4964. Do the 8 table division. But only 2 children only sent to this homework. Remaining children didn't do. What happened? All the children do the homework and work out yourself. Only you know the sums to do division. Okay children? Please to do. But you find out the answer reminder that is needed to write the answer. Don't round off that value. Round off value nu நம்ம எதுமே divide பண்ணக்கூடாது. First step, watch here clearly. First number is 4. Do the 8 table. So not possible to do for 4 in 8 table. 8 table 4 என்ற நம்பரே நமக்கு கிடைக்காது ப்ராடக்ட்ல. So you take for two numbers 49. So 49. So before that number product you get for here 48 and 56. So 48 is the before number. So you put for 6 times. So 8 table 6 times 48. Do now subtraction. 9 subtract 8 1. 4 subtract 4 0. Then you take for next one number 6. 16. 16 is coming for 8 table. Yes. How many times? 2 times. So you should write 2 times 16. So 6 subtract 6 0. 1 subtract 1 0. Then next one number 4. You take the 4 now. But 4 is not due for 8 table. So you do add the 0 in quotient. But till stop this 4. 4 என்ற நம்பரை நம்மளால போட முடியாது. அதனால நம்ம quotientல ஒரு நம்பர் 0வை ஆட் பண்ணனும். கண்டிப்பா ஆட் பண்ணனும். பட் ரிமைண்டர் 4 என்ற நம்பர் அப்படியே நமக்கு ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி நிக்கும். ஓகேவா? So this is the quotient for 620. Quotient is 620. Remainder is 4. Okay, once you check whether do the sum is correct or wrong. So do for 620 is a quotient. So multiply for divided 8 table. So same number you do for multiplication. 8 zeros are 0. 8 twos are 16. 6. 1 is carry over. 6 8s are 48 plus 1 49. So 4960 is getted now. Remainder is 4. So added 4 you get the number 4964. So this is the question. 4964 is in your question. So you find out the same answer. So you find out cross check for do the multiplication. So division opposite for multiplication. So easy to find out what is the answer. You get the answer 62 means wrong answer. Only you added 0. So last number நமக்கு ஒன்று இருக்குது அது போட முடியலன்னும் போது நம்ம 0ன்றதை கண்டிப்பாக ஆட் பண்ணியே ஆகணும். Okay children, you learn carefully this one sum. Okay, 620 is the quotient. Remainder for 4. So only you check whether this one for the cross multiplication method. So that is check. நம்ம போட்டிருக்க சம் கரெக்டா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு செக் பண்றதுக்காக நம்ம என்ன மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்றோம்? மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் method. And you added for remainder number 4. So added here and get for your question 4964 divided by 8 table. Okay children, whether you check this and correct or wrong, after you find out that is the correct answer. Shall I move now next one sum? Fourth sum. 8616 do for 6 table. So first you should write the 6 tables and you easy to find out the answers. So first number is 8. So do for 6 table 1 time. 6 ones are 6. Remainder 2. Then second number 6. 26. 26 coming for 24, between for 30, in between the number. So before number only you take. So 24, how many times? 4 times. 4 times only you take for 24. 6 fours are 24. So 6 subtract 4, 2, 2 subtract 2, 0. Then take for next one number 1, 21. 21 in between, what is the number is coming here? 18 and 24 in between for 21. So 18 number kum 24 number ku naduvula vara number than 21 என்ற number. So you put for before number 18 3 times. So 6 3s are 18. Then next 1 subtract 8 is not possible. So here borrowing for 2 is given here 11. 2 is changed now 1. So 11 subtract 8, 3, 1 subtract 1, 0. Then next one number 6. So now 36. 36 is coming for 6 table. Yes. How many times? 6 times. 6 6 are 36. So write the number 6, 36. So same number you get for 6 subtract 6, 0, 3 subtract 0, 3 subtract 3, 0. Then you find out the quotient now. 1436. Remainder is 0. The next one Sam. 8645 divided by 7 table. Easy to same method. Try to do now. 8 compared to 7. 8 is a bigger number. So 1 time. 7 ones are 7. So 8 subtract 7 1. The next number 6. 16. 16 is not coming for 7 table. So 14 and 21 is the between number. So 14 how many times? 2 times. So you write for 2 times. 14. 6 subtract 4, 2, 1 subtract 1, 0. Then next one number 4. 24. 24 is not coming. In between the number 24 for 21 and 28. So you write for before number 21 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 21. Do the subtraction again. 4 subtract 1. 3, 2 subtract 2, 0. Then next one number 5. So 35. 35 is coming for 7 table. How many times? 5 times. So 7 5s are 35. So write the number 5. 35. So 35 subtract 35. 0. Then you find out the answer now. Quotient is 1235. Remainder is 0. Then next one, sixth sum. 5742 divided by 9 table. So first you check first number is 5. 5 is a smaller number compared to 9. So not do for 9 table. So take for both the number 57. 57 is here. Say the table for 9 table. Before or same number come to 57 till stop the table. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63. So here number for 57. So before number you only stop 54 and 63 in between the number. So which one is a smaller number? 54 is a smaller. That one only you take here. 9 6 are 9 6 are 54. So 7 subtract 4, 3, 5 subtract 5, 0. Then take for next one number 4. So 34. 34 is coming for 9 table. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So 36 is a bigger number. Before that number you till stop for 9 threes are 27. So you should write 3 27. So 9 3s are 27. So 4 subtract 7 is not possible. Borrow here. 3 is changed now 2. So 14. 4 is changed now 14. 14 subtract 7. 7. 2 subtract 2 0. Then add for next one number 2. Now you get for 72. 72 is coming for 9 table. Say the table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. So 72 is coming here. How many times? 8 times. So till stop reach the table 72 or 72 after number. You stop to say the table. Before the number or same number you find out. Then use the tables. So 9 table how many times? 8 times. 72 you reach now. So 8 times 72. So 72 subtract 72 is 0. So on the time you say the table and find out for before number, after number. That is a struggle, that one. So I write the tables in rough column, then find out the numbers how many times. Easy to find out and check whether the product number, then you do the sums. Okay children, that's why I write the tables in right side. So quotient is 638, remainder is 0. So you try to do the division easy way. Which one is easiest way you to follow. Okay children, shall I move now word problem? Next one sum. Seventh sum, word problem. In my school there are 1115 students from class 1st standard to 8th standard. In my school there are 1115 students from standard 1st standard to 8th. If the number of students is same in all the classes, number of students in all the classes same, how many students are there in each class? So how many classes here? 1st standard to 8th standard. So 1st standard, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Totally 8 classes. But total number of students is given here 1150. So having for 8 class, but all the classes is same. Same in all the classes students. Students எல்லாருமே சேமா இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. That's why you do for divide 8 table. You know the 8 table. Ready to do now? First number is 1. 1 not do for 8 table. So take for both number 11. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So 16 is a bigger number. So you do for only one time. So 8 ones are 8. So write for ones place. Then 11. 11 subtract 8. 3. 11 subtract 8. 3. Then next number is 1. 31. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. So here 31 is here. 32 is coming for 4 times. So you should do 3 times. 3 times for 24. 8 3s are 24. So 1 subtract 4 is not possible. Borrowing here. 3 is changed for 2. 1 is changed now 11. 11 subtract 4. 11 subtract 4, 7. 2 subtract 2, 0. Then next one number you take for 5. 75 now. 75 is coming for 8 table. 72 only coming here. So next one number 8 tens are 80. So before number you do for 9 tables, 9 times. 8 nines are 72. So how many times you should write now? 9 times. 8 nines are 72. 5 subtract 2, 3. 7 subtract 7, 0. So each class having the students is 139. 139 students are there in each class. So how many students are there in each class is asking the question. So you find out the answer is 139 students in each class. Okay. Next one sum. The height of a mountain is 7,821 meter. Raj took 9 days to reach the top. How many meters did he cover daily if he travelled equal distance every day? So here height of mountain is given for 7,821. Raj took for 9 days to reach the top. Take the days for 9 days. How many meters did he cover daily if he travel equal distance every day? So equal distance every day is traveling. So you do for 9 days is travel to take to reach the top. That's why do for 9 table. So 7,821 divided by 9 table. Okay. First number is 7 compared to 9. 7 is a smaller number, not possible to do for 9 table. So take both the number 78. 7 and 8, 78. So 78 is coming for 9 table. You whether check for product only. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. In between the number 72 and 81. So before number you only do. So how many times you do now? 9 8 8 times 72. So 8 subtract 2, 6, 7 subtract 7, 0. Then take for next one number 2, 62. So 62 is coming for tables. 62 is not coming. 54 and 63. But here for 62. So you do now 6 times. 9 6 are 54. Do for subtraction. 2 subtract 4 is not possible. Borrow here 12. This one 6 is changed now 5. 12 subtract 4, 8. 6 is before number 5. 5 subtract 5, 0. Then add now next one number. Next one number is here for 1. Now you get for 81. 81 is coming for 9 table. 9 times 9 nines are 81. So write the number 9. 9 nines are 81. So same number 81 subtract 81, 0. So he traveled every day for how many meters? 869. He traveled the distance for 869 69 meter every day. Okay children, try to do for next one Sam. We will learn next class. Thank you.